Wow, did you bring me that ball? Thank you. You guys are so cute. Come here. Hello, pet parents. Welcome to Cats Dogs Harmony. My name is Kenya, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a virtual tour of a pet-friendly, dog-centric apartment community called BEXLEY at Arcadia. Now, not only does this apartment community have an on-site private dog park, but it also has a dog wash facility. Isn't that exciting? So if you are looking for a dog-friendly community, please consider BEXLEY at Arcadia for your living and community needs. Now, on to the video. And don't forget to share this with your favorite pet parent.
It's good to have. Now, pets won't be permitted inside the pool area for health reasons, but if you are an approved service animal, you do have access to that area.
Just not in the water.
Right.
Okay. I think I saw that down at the junction as well.
We've got pet stations. They'll be kind of sprinkled throughout the whole community. If you don't want to go in the dog park, you are welcome to do this, but we do ask that you leash your dogs. Once they're inside the dog park, however, you may unleash the dog. The dog park is going to be just up here.
Thank you. All right, so I don't know if you can tell, but at that far end is where I just came in. There's an entrance here, and there's all this open area here with some trees, and then the pictures of the equipment I just showed you. We got the natural turf. Natural turf. Here's our enclosure. Goes all the way down to the ground. 2 entrances, one here and one at the far end that I was just at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. They're still very young, but there's some shade there. And we've also got the shade coverage at the far end there and right here.
So the car wash is going to be 24 hours a day, but it is under controlled access, so you will need an access fob to gain entry.
Access fob, okay. So one thing I noticed about BEXLEY Arcadia, this is not a gated community, but it is a controlled access community, meaning you will need key fobs, being a resident, in order to gain access to some of the amenities here. Duly noted.
So there's a maximum of 2 dogs if you live on a second or third floor home. But if you live on a first floor home, you are allowed up to 3 dogs and then 3 pets in general, or up to 3 pets per home.
Okay.
There. And then your restricted breeds are Rottweiler, Chow, Pit Bull, Doberman Pinscher, American Bulldog, Bull Terrier, Staffordshire Terrier, Bull Mastiffs, Cane Corsos, Orvals, and Doggo Argentinos. And then anything that resembles those breeds, we would restrict as well.
Okay.
In your clubhouse, we've got
oh, you can have pets in here.
In the leasing office. We'll also have some food available for them and some dog treats too.
Oh, nice.
We want to stop by and we want to meet your pets. So we love pets. Dogs are our friends too.
Very nice.
Now, let's go ahead and walk this back way. We've got it divided into 3 kind of sections. You've got your kitchen over here. This is your game area. You've got billiards and chess, Jenga. We're going to be putting in a complimentary coffee maker in here for you to utilize as well. This is what we consider our shared workspace. Plenty of places to set up. We've got a conference room right in through there that you are able to rent out.
So this concludes today's virtual tour of the apartment complex, BEXLEY at Arcadia in Fort Worth, Texas. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up and leaving something in the comments. If you have a suggestion for another apartment community that is dog-friendly and dog-centric, please let me know, and I'll try my best to get out there and do a video tour for other people who are looking for pet-friendly living accommodations. Also, be sure to check out other playlists that I have put together, whether it be ones for pet washes and dog washes, public dog parks, off-leash parks, dog-friendly and pet-friendly businesses around Fort Worth and the communities, or other types of videos that you think would make a good playlist for the folks of Fort Worth and surrounding areas. I look forward to being your dog walker or pet sitter if you are close by me, and you can find my information on social media and on catsdogsharmony.com. Thanks for watching. Make sure to share this with your favorite pet parent. See you next time.